Imagine walking through a noisy street, traffic blaring, people shouting, and your playlist playing in the background, but all you hear is clean, immersive sound. Meanwhile, your earbuds are silently monitoring your heart rate and tracking your health. Sounds futuristic? Well, that future is almost here with the Apple AirPods Pro 3. And trust me, these aren't just earbuds anymore. Apple is gearing up to redefine what wireless audio means, and the Pro 3 is poised to be the smartest, most powerful set of earbuds they've ever released. Whether you're deep in the Apple ecosystem or just someone craving premium wireless audio, this is one launch you should absolutely wait for. Now, let's talk design, because Apple's finally moving beyond the 2019 silhouette we've seen recycled over and over. The AirPods Pro 3 are getting a total makeover with a sleeker, more ergonomic shape that fits better and stays comfortable for long hours. Whether you're on a Zoom call or running a 10K, there are rumors of new ear tip materials that improve grip and durability. So say goodbye to that annoying moment when your AirPod pops out mid-sentence. The charging case is getting a refresh too. Slimmer, MagSafe, compatible, and now with a built-in speaker. So it can yell from under your couch when you misplace it for the 5th time this week. But design is just the tip of the iceberg. Inside, the AirPods Pro 3 are expected to feature Apple's brand new H3 chip, which marks a major leap in performance. With the H3, you're getting faster processing, smarter active noise cancellation, and better machine learning. That means your earbuds will adjust in real time to your surroundings, whether you're navigating a chaotic subway or relaxing at home. The sound will adapt automatically. On top of that, you can expect clearer calls, reduced latency, better Siri responsiveness, and yes, longer battery life. So you get more time listening and less time charging. Let's get into connectivity. Apple's upgrading to Bluetooth 5.4, and that's a big deal. It means quicker pairing, more stable connections, and much lower latency when switching between Apple devices. And here's where audiophiles can get excited. There's potential for lossless audio streaming, studio-level quality wirelessly. That's been a huge limitation in the past. And this upgrade could be Apple's answer to the long-standing demands of high-fidelity music fans. If you're into gaming, music production, or just love great audio, this might be the feature that seals the deal. Now here's where things get really interesting. Health tracking. Yes, your AirPods may soon become a wellness companion. The AirPods Pro 3 are rumored to include heart rate sensors, skin temperature tracking, and even oxygen saturation monitoring. That means you could finish a workout and get your health stats directly from your earbuds. No need to wear extra devices. Your ears are doing the tracking. For anyone already using the Apple Watch or iPhone Health app, this is next-level integration. Apple is taking personal wellness seriously. The AirPods Pro 3 could be the most discreet health tracker ever created. And if you're prone to losing things, don't worry. Apple has your back. The new ultra-wideband UWB chip will let you find each individual earbud with centimeter-level accuracy. It's like GPS, but for your AirPods. Open your iPhone, follow the arrows, and boom, found. No more crawling under the bed or flipping couch cushions. Plus the UWB chip also helps with better handoff between devices and more secure pairing. These earbuds aren't just smarter, they're aware. As for the launch, all signs point to September 2025, right alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. Pre-orders could open right after the keynote, with units shipping later that month. Unless production delays bump it to October or November. Price-wise, expect around $280, a bit more than the previous Pro model. But with everything packed into these buds, from health sensors to lossless audio to the H3 chip, it's not just a purchase. It's an investment in the future of personal tech. And let's be real, Apple users are no strangers to premium pricing. So why do all these upgrades matter? Because the AirPods Pro 3 aren't just another refresh. They're a complete rethink of what earbuds can be. They blend audio excellence with health tracking, intelligent connectivity, and seamless ecosystem integration. They're not just for music anymore, they're your wellness assistant, your locator, beacon, your real-time translator thanks to iOS 19 and Apple Intelligence, and maybe even the bridge to Apple's next-gen wearables like smart glasses. This could very well be Apple's first truly mainstream biometric wearable beyond the watch, and that's a big deal. In short, you've been thinking about buying new earbuds? Don't. Not until the AirPods Pro 3 drop. The improvements here aren't minor, they're revolutionary. Apple is setting a new standard for what we should expect from personal audio tech. And once again, they're leading the pack. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into Apple's upcoming devices, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the bell so you don't miss our hands-on review the moment these launch. And if you're curious about what's coming with the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the Apple Watch Ultra 3, check out the videos linked right here on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.